Hi, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new there, hello. Today I'm going to be doing a natural makeup tutorial. Usually, if you watch my videos, my previous ones, I always start with concealer and it's like the same products because I use the same products. Yeah. But I am going to be using a primer today. I'm going to be using the Beam Dream Face and Body Illuminating Primer from Revolution. Yeah, I wanted to give this primer a go. I got it several months back and haven't really used it much because it looked a bit iridescent when I put it on the first time, but I'm not sure. We're just going to give this a try again on camera because what can go wrong? Quite a lot. I don't actually know how much of this put on. I put like a pea-sized in my hand. Is that too little, too much? I don't know. You need instructions for these. I'm just gonna put that on my face, like. Okay, now I don't think I put too much on. I don't know. Okay, so a pea-sized amount seemed to work fine. It's covered my whole face. My face feels very smooth now as well, like very smooth. I don't know. It doesn't look very glowy on camera. It doesn't look iridescent, which is a pro, but it's not that glowy either, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure on it. Now I'm going to do my concealer using the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer in C2. There we go, that's just covered some stuff up. Now I'm going to move on to my blusher. I'm going to be using the Essence Matte Long Lasting Lip Gloss. It's not really like a lip gloss, it's more like a liquid lipstick that sort of doesn't dry. I don't know how to explain it. But it is just very creamy and I just use that as my blusher. There we go, that just gives my cheeks a nice bit of colour, just makes me look a bit more rosy cheeked, just more like I've been, I don't want to say alive because I hate feeding into that stereotype of the fact that you've got to wear makeup in order to look alive, because last time when I do get out of bed I am alive, so technically I look alive when I get out of bed because I am alive, but it's, yeah. Now I'm just going to use some bronzer to bronze up my face, and I use the Revolution Ultra Sculpting Contour Kit in Ultra Fair CO1, and I have broken the palette because I'm good at breaking things and that's not something to be good at. I'm gonna dust my forehead, dust away the, no, I'm not dusting away anything, I'm putting stuff on. Okay. I'm not mental. Wacky? Maybe? I don't know. I'm trying to find out who I am. It's a long road. And this has nothing to do with makeup. I recently put in a Superdrug order to get some new bits. I bought some false lashes, which I'm very nervous to try because I've never done false lashes before. But I think they just add something to my makeup looks. They're not any like dramatic lashes, they're just some nice sort of natural wispy ones. And they had good reviews and they were cheap, so I thought, you know what, I will buy them because I want to give you a go. So I'm going to use the Contour and Glow palette from Makeup Revolution. It's literally how it sounds. It's the highlighter, which is a sort of like champagne colour. I think that's what everybody calls that. I don't know what the colour champagne is. I've never drunk champagne. Partly because I'm young, I'm a teenager. Teenagers don't drink champagne, and also because I don't want to drink alcohol, because alcohol, I don't want liver damage, I don't want any of that. I just want to live a life without alcohol. I feel like that's the most un-teenagery thing to say. It's the fact that I say to most teenagers, don't think they get it. But I would say I never want to drink alcohol ever, like in my lifetime, like from the day I was born to the day I die. But like, because I think there's that stereotype around teenagers that they're like, obviously not now, out partying, causing trouble, and just being weird. And like drinking alcohol and smoking and stuff like that. But I will never smoke because A, it's disgusting, B, it has tar which can clog up your lungs, and C, I'm an athlete and I run. So those two don't correlate together. And then with alcohol, I don't want to, like, people say they use it to free themselves up, but personally I wouldn't want to use that mechanism to free myself up. I don't want to rely on a substance to make myself feel better. I'd rather feel better within myself. So that's sort of where I come from it. Plus, if you drink alcohol, excessive amounts of alcohol for a long amount of time, you can cause liver failure and, well, death, because your liver dying. So that's not great, and I don't particularly want that. You can leave this as here, like it looks nice, it looks natural, it looks different from when I began, because that's sort of the aim. But yeah, this looks all nice, natural, and you can add it here. You can add some, I think there's clear mascara. I think I've had that there's clear mascara, I don't know. I've never used it, never needed to use it, but if that is a thing, I swear that's a thing. I think I've had that that's a thing. Is it what? English, it's not leaving me. Okay, I'm not sleep deprived. I am slightly. I'm gonna add some mascara to mine because I always do. And I'm not sleep deprived. It's just English is hard and I am slightly sleep deprived. If you follow my Instagram, I put on my Instagram stories that I got this new book called Crescent City. Amazing. I finished it. I finished it in about a week. It's 97 chapters long, plus an epilogue. But the epilogue's like 2 pages, but still 97 chapters, like, and it's like 700 and something, like over 750 pages, like. And I read that in a week, partly because I stayed up one night until nearly 1 AM reading it, because I had nothing better to do and I like to read. I forgot to say what it is. It's the Essence All Eyes on Me Waterproof Multi-Effect Mascara. Oh yeah, so my bleach arrived, my hair bleach, and I'm going to be dyeing my hair again soon. So keep an eye out for that video because it should be coming very soon. Maybe the one after this one, so like Wednesday or Sunday. I plan to get around to doing it this week. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then please hit that thumbs up button. If you'd like to support my channel, then please hit that subscribe button down below or up here. And I shall see you next time. Bye!